Hello everyone, today we're going to present our case study on fishermen claim livelihood affected by lost mangrove. Before we start, I would like to introduce our group members, which is Inani, Arkan, Izzat, Martilito, Azim, and myself Murshida. Let's discuss all of the questions.
First question, why mangrove forest is a life-sustaining ecosystem? Mangrove forests support diverse species, providing critical habitats for fish, birds, insects, and mammals, essential for marine biodiversity and human fisheries. They protect coastlines by stabilizing shorelines, reducing erosion, and acting as natural barriers against storm and floods. Mangroves sequester carbon dioxide, mitigating climate change, and improve water quality by filtering pollutant and trapping sediments, benefiting other marine ecosystems like coral reef and seagrass beds. Economically, they support fisheries, attract ecotourism, and provide sustainable resources such as timber and medicinal plants. Culturally, mangroves are vital for indigenous and local communities, supporting traditional livelihood and practices while offering educational and research opportunities to enhance understanding of coastal ecology and climate change. Their ability to adapt to rising sea levels by trapping sediments and building soil is crucial for maintaining ecological balance and protecting coastlines.
So now we're gonna talk about why mangrove ecosystem is very important to the local communities. So mangrove ecosystem is very important, especially the fisheries spot. Mangroves provide habitats for fish and other marine life, supporting local fishing industry and ensuring a steady food source. Mangrove forests provide essential habitats for various fish species, shellfish, and crustaceans. These organisms are crucial for local fisheries, supporting the livelihoods of coastal community through fishing activities. Mangrove also contribute to coastal biodiversity, ensuring sustainable fish stock and food security.
First, let's consider deforestation. Mangroves are being cleared at an alarming rate for a variety of human activities. Urban development further exacerbates this issue as expanding cities, infrastructure projects, and coastal resorts encroach on mangrove habitats. The result is a loss of biodiversity as many species that rely on these forests for breeding, feeding, and shelter are left without home. Pollution is another major threat to mangroves. Located near populated and industrial areas, mangroves are highly susceptible to various forms of pollution. Industrial waste, including toxic chemicals and heavy metals, can contaminate the water and soil, harming both the mangrove trees and the marine life that inhabit these areas. Agricultural runoff poses a significant risk as well. Pesticides and fertilizers from nearby farms wash into mangrove ecosystem, leading to eutrophication, a process that depletes oxygen in the water, causing die-offs of aquatic organisms. Climate change compounds these threats, placing mangroves on the front line of its impacts. Rising sea levels threaten to flood mangrove forests, submerging them too deeply and disrupting their ability to exchange gases, which is vital for their survival. Changes in temperature can alter growth rates and reproductive cycles of mangrove species and cause shifts in species distributions.
What are the impacts of human activities on the mangrove ecosystem at Sungai Dingin, Kampung Baru Setiawan? The first one is deforestation and land conversion. For this point, the first point is clearing for development. Mangrove forests are often cleared to make way for urban development, aquaculture, agriculture, and infrastructure projects. This reduces the area of mangrove habitat, leading to loss of biodiversity. Next is agricultural expansion. Converting mangrove areas into agricultural land leads to habitat destruction and fragmentation. The next key point is pollution. The first one for pollution is industrial and domestic waste. Discharge of industrial effluents and domestic sewage into mangrove areas contaminates the water and soil, affecting the health of mangrove trees and the aquatic life that depends on them. The next one is plastic pollution. The accumulation of plastic waste in mangrove areas can harm wildlife and disrupt the natural process of the ecosystem. The last one is climate change. So for this, rising sea levels due to climate change can inundate mangrove forests, leading to erosion and loss of habitat. The last one is temperature change. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can alter the growth and distribution of mangrove species.
How to overcome the threats to mangrove ecosystem? The best solution for this problem is establish protected areas. Designate mangrove forests as protected areas to prevent deforestation and degradation so that only people with authority can enter or make any action toward the mangrove area. To achieve this, we need to make a lot of improvement. The first one is stronger laws and regulation. We need to develop and enforce laws that prohibit illegal land clearing activities in mangrove areas. Ensure these laws are comprehensive and cover all aspects of mangrove protection such as fine and penalties. The next one is mapping. Create detailed map that highlight the extent and distribution of mangrove forests. In this case, it will help to analyze the organisms that live with the mangrove tree, such as fish, prawn, or even bees, to ensure the income of fishermen or villagers not affected. The last one is reforestation project. This project will initiate reforestation project to restore clear mangrove areas. Involve local community in this effort to ensure sustainability.